Hi, this is Daniel from supplyhouse.com, and today we're going to be talking about the Honeywell D6 Pro Wi-Fi Ductless Mini Split Controller. Working like a thermostat, the D6 Pro Wi-Fi Mini Split Control is the simple control that helps users get more out of their ductless system. It's a universal brand control that's compatible with more than 800 different models of ductless mini split systems from the top manufacturers. It replaces ductless mini split handheld controls by using an IR signal to communicate with the mini split. This 24-volt hardwired controller can easily be set up on the wall or placed on a table. It includes basic controls such as temperature adjustment and mode change using its own temperature and humidity sensing, ultimately eliminating confusion about temperature set points. Connect the D6 Pro to Wi-Fi and use the Honeywell Home app to access additional controls on the go, such as geofencing, auto changeover, scheduling, temperature and humidity alerts, and more. The Honeywell Home app can help manage multiple zones and work with Amazon Alexa-enabled devices or the Google Home smart speaker. The touchscreen interface displays information such as system mode status, Wi-Fi connection status, and temperature display, as well as mode and temperature change controls. The dimensions of the controller itself are 3.5 inches tall by 3.5 inches wide by 0.62 inches deep, and it includes a 5-year warranty. For more information, visit the resources at supplyhouse.com or email us with any questions.